Hello, friends, and welcome back to A Cozy Lifestyle with Clarissa Coward. Today's video is a cook with me, and today I'm doing a recipe from one of my friends, my blogging buddies, I call her, um, Marilyn Lesniak. I hope I pronounced the last name correctly. If you haven't visited her blog, she doesn't have a YouTube channel, I don't believe. I think she had one, but she doesn't do it very much. But if you haven't visited her blog, I'm going to leave you a link in my um, comment section below, my description section below, and also it's on the recipe as well. She is out of this world. She cooks, she can live off the land. I believe there's nothing in this world that Marilyn cannot make. But today's recipe is a slow cook recipe, and I think it's pronounced paella, and it's chicken and smoked sausage, and that's what Marilyn did with hers. I did something a little different. Followed her recipe to the T, except also added shrimp. We love shrimp, and chicken, shrimp, smoked sausage. It all goes together so well. So I added shrimp to ours. Other than that, I followed her recipe, except for the optional, which were the olives. I didn't add olives to mine. I think I will try that next time, though, and it will be a next time because my family absolutely loved it. So again, I'm going to leave Marilyn's information below. Do check out her blog. If you need a recipe for anything, I'm sure you will find it there. She is absolutely wonderful. I've been following her, and we've been supporting each other for a few years now. So what you just saw me doing was cutting up chicken breasts, and I am going to brown it all before putting it in the crock pot. And guys, let me tell you, usually when you cook things in the crock pot, you don't smell it a lot. But the seasonings in this, and I guess with the smoked sausage, it smelled really, really good. And it was nice to have that aroma going in the house, and I could be busy doing something else. So this is a perfect meal if you're busy. I'm going to season the chicken now, and you're going to see me toss it around until it browns. Then I will put it in the crock pot, and then I will come back and do the same thing for the sausage. I did not pre-cook the shrimp because, if you overcook shrimp, they get tough. So I added those when it was close to time for the meal to be prepared. So you can watch me pull this together. Again, it's called chicken and sausage paella, slow cooker paella. And I must say, it is delish. This is going to be one of the staples in our household now because um, my family loved it. My husband loved it, and my grandson loved it. So, and it's easy to do because it's in the crock pot. That's a given right there. That makes it even more appealing to me. So, guys, right now, and the camera angle is not that great, but now that the chicken is already done, I am now adding the smoked sausage to the skillet so that it can brown as well. And after all of the ingredients, again, will be below, as well as the directions too, and a link to Marilyn's blog so that you can go over and get the instructions directly from her. This really turned out really well. I think you will really enjoy it, and it's kind of comfort food as well.
We don't have to do anything. The scent of skin is strong enough. Huddle a little bit closer, babe. Let's see if I can warm you up. Oh, babe, snuggle, baby. Oh, babe, snuggle, baby. Oh, babe, snuggle, baby. Oh, babe, snuggle, baby. Just wait. Let me drive you crazy, my cuddle baby. wanna stay. Let's get stupid lazy, my cuddle baby. Don't stop, this is my favorite part. Hold me like it's out of style. Imagination is running wild. Eternity is in your smile. Hello, babe, snuggle, babe. Hello, babe, snuggle, babe. Just wait, let me drive you crazy, my kind of baby. Wanna stay? Let's get stupid lazy, my kind of baby.
So guys, it has simmered now. I've added everything, and it's ready to be plated, and there you have it. There was one other thing that I did differently from Marilyn. She used Spanish rice, and I didn't have any of that in the house, so I just used regular rice, and it was delish. This is something that I will be making again in my slow cooker. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you will try this recipe. Please do. You will not be sorry. And if you are new to my channel, why don't you hit that subscribe button? And once you do, hit that little bell so you'll be notified of all upcoming content. You'll be glad you did. If you're one of my new subscribers, I want to say I see you, and I'm grateful that you're here. And for my ride or die, well, you know how I feel about you. I love you, I love you, I love you. I'm going to leave you the way that I always do, with lots of love, hugs, and blessings, and invite you to find something today that brings joy to your life. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.